In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage task lists in teamwork.com. Everything you need to know to stay organized and productive in just a few minutes. If you're new to Teamwork, this is a fantastic tool for teams of all sizes to collaborate, track progress, and stay on top of their work. Stick around to learn all the essential features, plus a special offer that lets you try it for free with some exclusive bonuses. Let's dive right into it. First, to create a task list in Teamwork, head to your project dashboard. Click on the Tasks tab, then you'll see an option to add a new task list. This is where all your tasks will live, and it's perfect for organizing different parts of a project. Name your task list something specific, like marketing campaign or product launch, so you can easily track related tasks within the same list. Once you've created your task list, you can add tasks. Tasks are the actionable items that you'll assign to team members. To create a task, click on Add Task in your task list, then type in the task name, description, and set a due date if needed. You can also set priority levels like high, medium, or low to help your team know which task to focus on first. This is super useful for keeping things organized and preventing important tasks from getting buried. Now, let's talk about managing those tasks. You'll want to assign tasks to the appropriate team member, and you can do that by clicking on the task and selecting a person from your project team. You can also set dependencies if certain tasks need to be completed before others. For example, if one team member is waiting on another to finish a task before they can start, you can link these tasks together to keep track of their status. One of the great features in Teamwork is the ability to add subtasks. If a task has multiple smaller components, you can break it down into subtasks to make things more manageable. Subtasks help you track the progress of each step and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. When managing task lists, it's crucial to stay on top of your team's progress. Teamwork gives you several ways to do this. You can view task lists by different filters, like by who the task is assigned to, by due date, or by priority. This makes it easy to see which tasks need immediate attention. You'll also get real-time notifications whenever someone updates a task, so you'll always be in the loop. Another cool feature is task comments. Instead of relying on emails or separate chats, you can leave comments directly on the tasks. This keeps all communication tied to the task itself, making it easy to refer back to conversations, feedback, and decisions made during the project. If you need a high-level overview of your tasks, the taskboard view is perfect. It lets you see tasks in a Kanban-style board where you can drag and drop tasks between different stages like to do, in progress, and completed. This view is particularly helpful for teams who prefer a visual way to manage their workflow. And here's a pro tip. You can create recurring tasks for tasks that need to happen regularly. For example, if you need a weekly report or daily check-ins, just set the task to repeat automatically so you never have to manually recreate it. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to create and manage task lists in Teamwork. It's a super powerful tool that'll help you keep everything organized and make sure projects stay on track. Before I wrap up, remember that you can try Teamwork for free by clicking the link below. Plus, we have an exclusive bonus for you that gives you extended access to premium features, so don't miss out on that. To recap, Teamwork is a fantastic tool for creating and managing task lists, assigning tasks, tracking progress, and keeping everything organized. Use it to stay on top of your projects and boost team productivity. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial and exclusive offer through the link below. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.